Here, I always just put some propolis on there, and then that'll sort it out. Let's see, how many bees is in here is the question. There might not even be no bees in here.
I got their attention.
Yeah, no, this seems to be about the hottest girl I've got in the yard, to be honest. Being that sock stapler genetics. I'm gonna probably have to pull at least 3 out of here. Yeah, last time I was in here, this queen had done worked herself up to the top. I was like, what in the world is going on? This time of year, they shouldn't be working up that high. Ain't that much damn food in there. Yeah, she done moved up and laid some eggs in here. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get all this moved or not.
So I guess we need to tell the folks what you're getting ready to do.
I'm getting ready to drill a hole in this super so they have extra airflow. Sitting in the sun, I think they're cooking. And then also be a good temperament test to see how hot these bees are. Then will the vibration set the whole lot off, because it's all on the same thing. You standing close enough? And it's not probably a good idea to do this in the entrance. Alright, I can feel the point. You don't do this too high, because then we'll blow this side out and make it all splintered. Well, they don't like that. I'm making a mess of their house. They definitely don't like that. Well, there we go. Mission accomplished. Yeah, I should have got a full-size hive tool. Yeah, I'm shocked that went as well as it did. I didn't expect that to be so, I expected a few more to be upset.
Yeah, but we're not done yet. You got a couple more down the line you got to do, right?
Oh, yeah, not over here, but over there I do. It seems to be, them genetics is mixing up pretty good. Be a hot box, and then, one generation out. It is a good time of day.
You need to come back and try this like it's right before dark.
Yeah, people think, why would you drill a hole right there? It don't make sense to me. And then the rain's not getting in there. And then when I need to pick it up, I just give them the finger. All right, so let's try this green one right here.